I wanted to come on before the video started to let you know about one of my subscribers started her own channel finally, and I wanted to let you know about her and tell you a little bit about her. Her name is Mary K. Jones. So I'm gonna leave her channel, I think right up there somewhere in the iCard, so that you can go check out her channel. She is a very dear friend of mine. I met her here on YouTube and she's amazing, and she just put up her first video this past weekend, so go ahead and go check her out. All right, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm having a good day. Today it's nice and sunshiny and bright out, and I'm happy about that. It's a little chilly, not as bad as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was like, oh, I can't stand this cold anymore. I'm getting too old for this. Too old for this. Anyway, got my Boxycharm today. Well, actually, I got it. When did I get this? Oh, Saturday. I got it on Saturday. And I've gotten so I don't even film on Saturday and Sundays. I like to spend that time with my husband because he works all week, and you know, I'm a good wife and I like to spend time with him. So you're going to get a lot of videos this week because I have a backup and a multitude of boxes to do now. So you guys benefit from me spending time with my husband. See, it's a win-win situation. But anyway, here's my Boxycharm. This is a little tiny box. They have spoiled me with BoxyLux. I love BoxyLux, and then I get this little baby box, and I'm like, ugh, I want the big box. But it will be here. I think, is it next month? I'm not sure. No, I think it's March. I think March, yeah, I'm not sure. It'll be here when it gets here, I suppose. I'm not sure. But anyway, let's get into this box. Let me find something to open it with. That looks like it'll work. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Here it goes. Oh, those are cute colors. And it says Boxy and Chill. Those are really cute colors together. I like those colors. Beautiful colors. All right. And there's a list of our stuff on the back. We get that out of the way for the moment. And there, uh-oh. Oh, I got some stuff there. There's our stuff. Looks like we have something open. Oh no. Yep, it went all over. Whatever this, oh, there it is. It's open. I always manage to get the ones that are open. Darn it. Ew, it's on my finger. Oh, it's whatever this says. Well, we'll just go with this then, so we can get it out of the box and it doesn't get all over everything. Well, I'll have to email them. I'll have to take a picture and email it to them, and they'll replace it. It'll be okay. So if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, and it's $21 a month. They also just launched a box called BoxyLux, which is, it's just amazing. It is full-size products, and I think it's like 8 to 10 or some crazy amount like that, but it is simply amazing, and that is $49.99, I think. I think it is. I think it's the same price as FabFitFun, but amazing box, truly amazing. And those are, like I said, are all full-size products. These are, I think you get 5 full-size kind of, or they are the, oh my goodness, I'm at a loss for words today, and that don't normally happen with me, so, you know. They're like travel, I don't know how to put that. They're not sample size, there's deluxe size, sample deluxe size. I think that's how I want to put it. Anyway, let's get into this. How do you say that? Brio-Geo? I think that's how you say it. Brio-Geo, don't despair, repair. Strengthen, moisturize, leave-in mask. Okay, it's a leave-in mask, and like I said, mine got open. Well, somehow it got open. Smells good though. This is a 20, oh no, it's a 20 ounce. It's not a 20 ounce bottle. It's a 2 ounce bottle. It's a super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner, provides reparative benefits and beyond. It says this is a $16 value. micro encapsulated argan oil, and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin to help promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. My hair needs all the help it can get right at this moment. It needs to be colored, cut, everything. It just needs everything. So let's smell this. Now that it's already open, but I mean, it smells amazing. Oh, it's almost empty. That smells good, but yeah, it's pretty empty in there. It does smell very good though. I do like the smell of that. It smells fresh and clean. I like anything that smells fresh and clean. It's amazing. Okay, let's see what we got here. I don't know what this is. Smith and Cult. I think that's, oh yep. Smith and Cult, the tainted lip stain. That's the packaging. Effortless flush and lightweight shine. This rich formula boosts moisture levels while delivering a transparent glossy wash, not chemically tainted, gluten-free and paraben-free. This is $24 for this little ditty right here. If I can get it open, would be okay. Kissing Tiny Flowers. That's what the color is. I cannot. Diary of a Beauty Junkie. How do you get this puppy open? Okay, never mind. I got it. I got it. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is a beautiful package. I like that. I can't get you to see it very good. It's very shiny, guys. Sorry. Oh, look at it. It's dented. Oh my God, my box went through hell and back. I had to email that to him too. Oh my goodness, what in the hell happened to my box? There's the color. Let's see here. I don't have any lipstick on. That is terrible. I don't know if you can tell. Let me show you the lid. See the lid? It's crunched. It's crunched up. My lid is crunched. I mean, it doesn't affect this part, so. I ain't hating it. It smells like cotton candy. It does. It smells like cotton candy. Or I want cotton candy, one or the other. Not bad. Not bad. I'm a little sad that my little lid got crunched up. Can you see it? It's all crunched. But the box itself isn't crunched. Do you see that? The box is not crunched. But see, the box itself isn't crunched. But the inside is crunched. That stinks. I hate that. But let's check out the rest. Okay, and then we have this little thing here. If I can find it. Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. This is $19. This is mechanical. This ain't mechanical. Expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to Boxycharm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. $19. Well, it's all sealed up in plastic. Trying to see where I can open it at here. No. Wow. All right. Well, let's let go of me. I just did all this and probably won't ever use it. Let go. Okay, there it goes. There's the color. I probably won't ever use this because I just don't use this kind of eyeliner. Yeah, that's just too light. Not a color for me. Probably not even gonna be able to see it. That's how light it is. It's terrible. There it is. It is a blush color, I wanna say. Yeah, it's like a blush. box is kind of a bust for me, a little bust. But I mean, sometimes you have a good one, sometimes you have a really good one, and sometimes you just don't have a good one. So, let's see. Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. Dive into this vegan, I don't know where I learned how to speak English. Vegan, here's the palette. Crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. It's blendable, long-wear formula enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. $36. Okay, well, here's some instructions. Okay. Oh, that is a beautiful package. Love the package. Love the package. Let's see where we open this here. Woo! Oh, wow. Yeah, those are really light. Let's see if I can. There we go. There we go. How's that? They are very pretty colors, but they are very, very light. I don't even know if swatching them is going to. So let's see. I don't know, guys, but this is Escape. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Escape, Tiki, Heat Wave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, Jewel, and what is that? Treasure. That's Treasure. Those are really, really super light colors. I like neutrals, don't get me wrong, but I don't know as they don't look pigmented at all. Really, they just look very light. So I'm not gonna swatch these because I'm not so sure I'm gonna keep these. I may put this in a giveaway. So look for that in a giveaway, probably in a giveaway. What would be nice is if you could take that palette out and keep this beautiful compact. That would be awesome. Then I would keep it. I would keep it just to use the compact. That would be beautiful. But it doesn't look like you can pop that out. No, no. But wouldn't that be a beautiful compact? That would be beautiful. But anyway, that's I don't know. And then lastly, we have a 2-pack of Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and there's my hair mask on my mask, and these are $12 each. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. $24. I don't know. This one didn't really thrill me that much. I mean, I've gotten a few Boxycharms where I'm like, holy crap, this box is amazing. And I've gotten some like these where, all right. I mean, this was open. It's not a big deal. They'll probably send me another one. Great. I will use this. I like these. These help greatly with my hair. The mask, I probably get a mask in every box. You know, I have tons of masks. Matter of fact, I probably just gave away 50 masks for Christmas. I have a lot of masks. I'm doing a giveaway right now, and I'm giving away 4 palettes. I have tons of palettes too. I don't use this kind of eyeliner. I like the Ico felt tip eyeliner. So I mean, there's only one thing that I'm going to use out of the whole box, and it's this. I will use this, but my lid is crushed. Darn it. Anyway, it was okay. It's not something that I'm going to write home to mama about. It was okay. But anyway, if you'd like to get your own Boxycharm and like I said, not every box is gonna be, you know, a knock out of the park. It's not. It's just not. And every subscription box is that way. Not every box is absolutely amazing. It can't be. That would be a perfect world, and we don't live in a perfect world. So, like I said, if you'd like to get your own Boxycharm, I'll leave a link below so that you can get on over to Boxycharm and order yourself a Boxycharm box. And if you like to get a BoxyLux box, I'll also leave the link down below so you can get over there and get yourself a BoxyLux box. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And here's a second look at my Boxycharm box this month, and I will see you guys in my next video. I think that was it. And don't forget to hit the Glam link below so you can enter the giveaway. The giveaway will be over very soon. I think in about 10 days. I think it ends on January 25th. Okay, guys, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.